Welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making something super quick, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible. Classic chili cheese toast. We start by heating some butter on a regular pan. No toaster needed for this. Just simple ingredients and a stove top. Place 4 bread slices one by one and toast them lightly. Then spread a little butter on top of each slice. Keep flipping every few seconds so they cook evenly and get that beautiful golden crust. Now for the best part, the cheese. Now we are placing a slice of cheese on one bread and another on the second. Next, we are adding a flavor-packed sprinkle of seasonings: garlic salt, oregano, chili flakes, black pepper, onion powder, Italian seasoning, or even a dash of smoked paprika or peri peri for that extra kick. Use whatever you have in your kitchen. The more variety, the tastier it gets. Top each cheesy slice with another bread to complete the sandwich. Press it gently and toast both sides until the cheese melts and the outside is golden and crispy. We are serving this with hot mustard sauce and tomato ketchup. A quick toast without any fancy gadgets, comforting, flavorful, and ready in minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes. See you in the next one.